It is Friday, the 23rd. It is the eve of Christmas Eve. Things are winding down, waiting with the anticipation of everything we've purchased and every wish we've made in hopes that Sunday, Christmas Day, will be joyful and happy for everybody, and they'll be so excited to get whatever we've chosen and whatever we are going to be surprised with. It's always a fun time of anticipation and wonder and joy. Perfectly good, right? I know some of you still haven't shopped, so I just want you to know there are a couple things you can still come in and get, which would be fun for everybody. And one of those is our Harrisville Designs potholder looms. These are great. And they're actually good for people, grown-up people, as well as children. So these are very fun. The small size is 22. There is enough inside to make two pot holders. It ends up being a 6-inch pot holder, I believe. And it's great. And I have additional colors of black and white and pastels. So those are the additional. The bags are $22.95, and I told you the loom is $22. So that's the smaller one. Then there's the 10-inch loom, which is this one, where they call it the Pro, and it makes an 8-inch, or no, it makes a 10-inch. I'm sorry, it makes a 10-inch pot holder, which if you're trying to grab a pot, makes a nice gift. So anyway, this one is 36, and they've changed their look a little bit. They now have, whoa, everything fell on the floor. It's all good. They've changed their look a little bit, and we have big bags. Each one of these bags makes 6 pot holders. So these are the brights. Each bag is $42.95. These are the brights, and these are the pastel, or they call it pastels. I think so. And then these are the designer, right? So no matter what kitchen color somebody has, you can find something to make it look amazing, and it'll be fun. Something you can do the week between Christmas and New Year's, right? With those kiddos. Also, got the wool for the for all our birdies, all your bird lovers. Need a little pack of wool to put out so they can make their nests. We've got some last minute stuff. Don't forget the She's Birdie. I showed you those, I think, last night. Lots of good and the socks from Shenandoah Farm out of Chapel Hill. So cozy, so warm, $22 a pair, women's and men's. They're like slipper socks. They are like, woo, so cozy. Also, the beautiful, more dress, thinner wool sock is $20. Fabulous. I got stuff. You need to come. Even if you're last minute, it's all good. And there's always a gift certificate, right? So, winding down this year, whew, hard to believe. It's creeping closer and closer to New Year's Day. Let me remind you that next week on Wednesday starts our semi-annual clearance sale, which everything will be at least 25% off, if not up to 75% off. So that's always a big draw. So come in and check us out next week on that. And I think that's it for today. I will try and do a little video for tomorrow. I think that might be my last day. We are scooting out of town on Tuesday, so I may not get down here to make a video on Monday, so forgive me. But Happy New Year to you if that's the case. I'll tell you tomorrow night, all right? All right, just enjoy your evening. Wrap all those last-minute gifts. Have a little hot toddy or a glass of wine. Just take a deep breath and enjoy your family. How's that? Sounds good. Or not. Enjoy a good movie. All right. I will see you tomorrow.